Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. I have tested a few Tesla accessories from Temu before. Some of them work really well and some of them might not work as supposed to be. A few last time that I tested, I had some good experience. So I want to do another test again. This time are the wheel covers. These are the wheel covers. They're not alloy wheels or the whole wheel upgrade, but they looks like an alloy wheel. So I love the looks and design of this one. So in today's video I'll show you what comes in the box and then a quick installation guide on these wheel covers, and then I'll show you what they look like on my Tesla Model Y. Now let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of these new wheel covers for Tesla Model Y. And here what came in the box. Let's take a closer look. So it came with 4 covers for the Model Y, also the center cap with Tesla logo on it, and a protective foam tape. So you'll be installing this in the back of the cover. So this will help protecting the cover from scratching your rims and a noise on a low speed. Now let's have a look at the cover itself. I got this because just for the look and also protect the rims too. So because it covers the whole rims on your car, so you will not get any curb rash on your rims at all. Anything, let's say if you damage your wheels, it will just damage the cover first and your wheels stay the same shape as new. And yeah, it looks really good. As you can see, the cutouts on the wheel covers are really big, so I don't think these will improve the efficiency or aerodynamic on the Model Y at all. I got this just because of the look. Looks really cool, and it helps protect the rims from getting scratched. Now let me show you how to install the protective tape in the back of the wheel covers. So to install the protective tape, just remove all the adhesive covers in the back of the tape and then install it around the edges of the wheels on the inside. Just flip it over and then install it around the edges. And that's it. As you can see, I applied it around the edges because these are the area that your alloy wheels will likely to scratch with the wheel covers, which is plastic material, and it will help with the noise that it might create at low speed. Alright, now the next step here is to install the center cap. So just remove the adhesive in the back and then just apply it in the middle. I would suggest to point the bottom of the Tesla logo to the valve stem cut out on the wheel cover, so it's easier to find where the valve stem is. And that's it. Just apply in the middle. Voila! Now the wheel cover is ready to be installed on my Tesla Model Y. But before we install it, let me show you where you can get these wheel covers. You can get these new wheel covers for your Tesla Model Y 19-inch wheels from Temu or Temu.com. As you can see here, it's less than $100 for all 4 wheel covers, and they come from local warehouse, which means you'll get it really quickly. I got these wheel covers within a week, and if you are interested, you can download Temu app from your phone and search on the search bar in the app using the code as you can see, or check out the link and the code in the description down below, and you'll get $100 bonus on your Temu account. Now let's go and install it on my Tesla Model Y. Before we install the new wheel covers, let me show you real quick how to remove a stock OEM wheel covers from your Model Y. Before I remove it, let me show you something. As you can see, this part right here, this is actually your alloy wheels on the inside. So the wheel cover that's from Tesla does not cover this part at all. So when you have a curb rash, it's actually curb or scratch right directly on your wheel. Let me show you how to remove it. So use 2 hands, grab a hold of one of these spokes right here, and then pull towards yourself, and then just go around side by side until eventually the whole thing popped out. As you can see, there's no screw, just a whole bunch of clips in the back of the cover. Now let me show you how to install the new one right here. So first, indicate where the valve stump cutout is on the wheel cover, and then find your valve stump, which is right here on the wheel, and then aim it right at the valve stump, and then just pop it right in. That's it. As you can see, super easy to install, really simple. Love the design. It actually looks like a alloy wheels, not quite a wheel covers like other different wheel cover design. Now let's install the rest of the covers. Alright, I installed all the wheel covers and it looks really good. It looks awesome. It actually looks more like alloy wheels than the wheel covers. Now let me show you the overall look of these wheel covers. As you can see, the wheel covers turn out really good. Let me take you to a closer look of the wheel cover itself. It looks just like alloy wheels. That's the reason why I picked these. You can't really tell apart difference between the real alloy wheels or the wheel covers if you don't get super close to the car and super close to the wheels. It doesn't show much of the silver of the wheel on the inside. As you can see, this angle right here, because of the cover actually cover a lot on this part, so you don't see much of the silver alloy wheel inside. So that's why it looks more like the wheel itself rather than a wheel cover. And plus, as I mentioned before, it protects the rim on the inside too. Not only give you a better look on overall look actually on your Model Y. As you can see, looks really nice and clean and really sleek. Love the new look of my Model Y now, and the wheel covers. I wish it gives you extra range or efficiency, but unfortunately, because it's designed to make it look like a real alloy wheels, it doesn't give you that benefit. But otherwise, these wheel covers are awesome. And usually I never can just get one thing from Temu, so this time I got this really cool diorama for my work. This is 164 and 124, and since Halloween is just around the corner, I didn't forget to get some cool Halloween decorations for this year Halloween from Temu, like this really cool nightlight, a ghost nightlight, and window projector. Let me show you. Look at that. That's really creepy. It's really cool and it works. And I even got some little eyeballs for my front yard. Temu has a lot of options for everything, including Halloween decorations like these, all kind of decorations, as you can see on their website. As you can see in the video, the wheel covers turn out really good. I love the look of the wheels, and it protects the rim on the inside too. That's an awesome bonus for the wheel covers for your Tesla Model Y. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about these wheel covers, the new wheel covers for Tesla Model Y, and make sure to click the link and use the code as you see on the screen or in the description down below for extra $100 bonus on your Temu account. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. See you on the next video. Peace.